and welcome to another Wednesday Musings. Today, I'd like to share with you some feedback I've gotten from some friends and clients recently. So it does appear that many are going through very sudden changes. Example, all of a sudden losing a loved one, a family member, or a beloved pet. Or suddenly changing jobs and careers. Or suddenly getting the call to move physically. Or out of the blue, having a spouse leave, physically departed. It does appear that many people are experiencing these sudden changes. And as a planet, we are experiencing our collective dark night of the soul. And individually as well, some are going through this, some have gone through this, and some will go through this in the near future. So how do we handle all this? These sudden changes. For one, it is good to develop your innate ability to trust God, creation, the unknown, the unseen, your next step. Some call it faith, but it's the knowing that leads to realization. The realization is this, that you are always loved and supported from the unseen realms, no matter what. And when you ask for it, you are divinely protected. And the angels cannot work on your behalf unless they are asked sincerely. So how do we move through these changes without freaking out, without becoming overloaded or depressed or extremely anxious? Having the faith that all is divine order, that what you are experiencing are lessons that have carried over into this lifetime, where you are ready to complete and heal and come to closure with. That is all for your spiritual learning and growth, and that you are never a victim. Imagine moving awareness now out of being the victim of and not having enough of, and moving into this unknown space where it is worry-free, it is stress-free, it is effortless-free, or it is, shall we say, manifesting from a place of creative thought and inspiration. So it is quite possible to move through these planetary ups and downs, the swing of the pendulum. No matter what your situation in life, financially, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, career-wise, relationship-wise, everything is in divine order according to your belief and trust in self, and that what you have created can be recreated from a new perspective. from the oneness that what once was experienced as trauma and drama can now be re-experienced and revisioned as grace and blessings, as healings for the soul, knowing that you are divine creator always, manifesting in form, and that you choose your reality experiences, and that your truth is nobody else's truth, and their truth is not your truth, that your truth is your truth. And as you come to the awareness that you live by your truth, your innate truth, so shall you be free. So with that in mind, keep that thought going for the rest of the week, that you are truly a free being and not the subject of other people's thoughts, feelings, emotions, and beliefs. And that you are here to be the presence of love, to be the presence of wisdom, to be the presence of truth and the power of grace called blessings. So thank you for tuning in today. And for other good stuff, go to kenjikumara.com and check out our new membership program that has started and our upcoming Awaken Your Higher Consciousness Mastery Program. Plus, you can find us on Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Plus, out there in the four corners of the universe, you will find us there. You may find us everywhere, actually, for you are also everywhere. So until next time, in the everywhere, many blessings. Godspeed.